Flowering plants, as the name suggests, will have flowers, and flowering plants have stems, leaves, and well developed true roots. They are also called as phanerogams, and these phanerogams are of two types, that is gymnosperms and angiosperms. Based on the placement of their seed, if the seed is enclosed, it is called as angiosperm, and if the seed is naked, it is called as gymnosperm. Let's understand more about gymnosperms. Gymnosperms do not have true flowers, they bear cones, and their seed is not placed in enclosed structure, but they develop inside the cones, and hence we call it as naked seed or gymnosperms. Cones are of two types, male cones and female cones. Male cones produce pollen which are blown by wind and they reach the female cones, and female cones have ovules and these ovules develop into seeds. Here we can see the name gymnosperms. Gymnos means naked and sperma means seed. Collectively we can say gymnosperms means naked seeds. These gymnosperms are either trees or bushes with roots, stems and leaves. Most of the gymnosperms are evergreen, that is, they do not shade all their leaves at a particular time, and their leaves are long needle shaped, and such leaves are not damaged by snow or frost, and they also help in the water conservation. Hence, such plants are mainly found in cold and mountainous areas. Examples are pine, fir, cedar, ginkgo, juniper, cycas. Here we can see different examples of gymnosperm: pine, cedar, ginkgo, and cycas. All these plants are woody and they have needle-like leaves. Moving towards the next category, we have angiosperms. Angiosperms are the plants that bear true flowers and they have true fruits. Seeds are enclosed inside the fruit and hence seeds are not naked. The seeds develop in the female part of the flower called as ovary, and ovary is going to develop into fruit, whereas ovules are going to develop into seed. Seed have seed leaves called as cotyledons, and it also has embryo, that is the baby plant. The seed leaves are going to store the food which is required by embryo for its growth into a new plant. When the seeds germinate, embryo grows into a new plant, angiosperm. Angion means case and sperma means seed, which together means seed covered in a case, and hence this type of plants are most highly evolved plant, and they are most numerous of all the type of plants that we have. They are well developed, they have proper roots, stems, leaves, flower, and fruit. These angiosperms are again divided into two groups based on the number of cotyledons in their seed. They are divided as monocotyledons and dicotyledons. In monocotyledonous plants, seed contain only one cotyledon. The name suggests mono means one. So such seeds are going to have only one cotyledon, such as wheat, maize, rice and grasses. Monocotyledonous plant are also called as monocot. This over here is an example of monocot plant. The next one is dicotyledons. In dicotyledonous plants, seed contain two cotyledon. The name suggests di meaning two. Hence they have two cotyledons. Example gram, pea, bean, brinjal, mango. Dicotyledonous plants are also called as dicots. This over here, bean plant is an example of dicot.